Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or import the Arbitrum token on your MetaMask wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the MetaMask wallet application on your device. And once you open it up, you will be asked to proceed forward using your password. Type in your password and tap on the unlock button. And now you will be logged in and taken into your homepage. Within your homepage, you will be shown all of the tokens that you have added within your account within the tokens page. If you wish to add the Arbitrum token within your account as well, then from the tokens menu, tap on the import button, and now you will be able to use the search box to search for your desired token. Just type in Arbitrum and start your search, and once you find the Arbitrum token, tap on the checkbox at the left side and then tap on the next button. Now after confirming by tapping on the import button, the Arbitrum token will be added within your wallet right away, and you will be able to find it within the homepage. You may also use the same method in order to import any other token that you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add or import the Arbitrum token within your account on MetaMask wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.